Join me as I try to fill my entire house with these 10 amazing oxygen-producing houseplants and see if I can actually breathe easier. Indoor spaces can be breeding grounds for stale air and pollution, which can have a significant impact on our health and well-being. Having oxygen-producing houseplants in your home can greatly improve the air quality, making it easier to breathe and even help alleviate respiratory issues. Let's face it, indoor air quality is often overlooked, but it's a major issue. Many of us spend more than 90% of our time indoors, and the air we breathe in our homes and offices can be up to 5 times more polluted than the air outside. It's crazy to think that something as simple as the air we breathe can have such a significant impact on our health. And what's even crazier is that many of us are completely unaware of the benefits of having houseplants in our homes. We often think of plants as just decorations, but they can do so much more than just look pretty. In fact, some plants are champions of oxygen production, and can even help remove pollutants and toxins from the air we breathe. But the reality is, many of us are stuck in a cycle of toxic air and poor health, and we don't even know it. We're not taught about the importance of indoor air quality, and we're definitely not taught about the incredible benefits of houseplants. And that's exactly why I wanted to create this video, to spread the word about the power of oxygen-producing houseplants and how they can transform our living spaces into healthier, happier environments. So, which plants should you start with? Well, I've got you covered. Let me introduce you to the top 10 oxygen-producing houseplants that you need in your life. First up, we have the spider plant. This plant is a superstar when it comes to producing oxygen, and it's also a great air purifier. Next, we have the peace lily, which is not only beautiful but also a powerful toxin remover. Then there's the dracaena, which can grow up to 10 feet tall and produces a ton of oxygen. We also have the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, which is almost impossible to kill and produces a huge amount of oxygen at night. The pothos is another great option. It's easy to care for and can thrive in low light conditions. The philodendron is a popular choice for hanging baskets, and it's also a great oxygen producer. Then there's the heart-leaf philodendron, which is similar to the philodendron but has heart-shaped leaves. We also have the English ivy, which is a great air purifier and can be trained to climb walls or trellises. The rubber plant is another great option. It has large dark green leaves and produces a ton of oxygen. And last but not least, we have the aloe vera, which is not only great for oxygen production but also has healing properties. But what's really interesting is that the spider plant has a unique way of producing oxygen. Did you know that it can produce babies, or as I like to call them, spider plant babies? These babies are actually mini versions of the mother plant, and they produce oxygen just like the mother plant does. It's like having multiple oxygen-producing powerhouses in one plant. And did you know that the peace lily can also act as a natural humidifier? It releases moisture into the air, which can help to relieve dry skin and congestion. It's like having 2 plants in one. I was also surprised to learn that the dracaena can grow in low light conditions, making it perfect for rooms with limited natural light. And the snake plant can survive with neglect, making it perfect for busy people or those new to plant parenthood. Incorporating these oxygen-producing houseplants into your home can have a significant impact on your health and well-being. Not only do they purify the air, but they also create a sense of calm and tranquility. And the best part is, they're easy to care for and can thrive in a variety of environments. Thanks for joining me on this journey to breathe easier with oxygen-producing houseplants. If you have a favorite houseplant, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about plant care tips, be sure to check out my next video.